Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a manufacturer shipped units of a certain product to two locations. The equation above, T is equal to 5c plus 12f, shows the total shipping cost T in dollars for shipping C units to the closer location and shipping F units to the further location. We're told the total shipping cost was $47,000, so T is going to be 47,000. So this equation is now 47,000 is equal to 5c plus 12f. And we're told that 3,000 units were shipped in total. 3,000 units were shipped to the further location. So in this case, we are told that F is the number of units to the further location. So we can plug in 3,000 for F in the same way that we just plugged in 47,000 for T. So 47,000 is equal to 5c plus 12 times F, which we now know is 3,000. 47,000 is equal to 5c plus 12 times 3,000 is 36,000. Subtracting 36,000 from both sides, we get these canceling out, and we have 5c is equal to 47,000 minus 36,000, which is 11,000. Now we just divide both sides to solve for c, and just rewriting this up here, we have c is equal to 11,000 divided by 5, which is 2,200. So we are asked how many units were shipped to the closer location. That is represented by C, which we found is 2,200, so 2,200 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.